Since the beginning of the school year, you've been using the Symbaloo page to gain access to the various web tools that you use. The district put this page together for us, and because you've got so much more awareness now, I think it's high time that we create our own web page, one that is built by you with the tools that interest you. So we're going to do that today. To do that, you will go to Symbaloo.com, open up that page, and when you do, over here on the right-hand side, you'll see a red Create button. You're going to click on that Create button, and it will allow you to create your own free Symbaloo account using your Google information. Once you've done that, it's time for us to get underway. You'll do that by clicking on this plus sign. What that plus sign will do is create additional tabs, and those tabs can be for specific areas of study so that you can turn some on and some off. And so we're going to click on that. We're going to create a tab with web tools in it called Area. In math, we're going to begin to study area and perimeter. So let's just focus on area for right now to keep our search quite small. Right, so I'm going to click on Add. And that brings me to the Symbaloo tile page. And I now am able to customize my tiles. So I'm going to click on this tile, and it says Create a Tile, and I say Sure. All right, and I'm going to do that by going off, opening a new tab. And that tab, I'm going to search for area. And that's going to give me 4,860,000 hits. All right, so I would peruse these or look through them, and of course I would vet the one that I think is most useful to me. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and open up what is area. I know Math is Fun is a great site, I've had experience with them, and I'm going to browse. And I like what I'm seeing because it gives us a real-world application. It shows us how to label, it shows how to do the measurement, there's definitions. So I'm going to use this link. So I'm going to come on up to the URL, Command-C to copy, come on back over here to my Symbaloo page, and I'm going to Command-V, paste that URL on that line. Here I would designate what it is. It's a website. And then I'm going to go ahead and leave what they've got in here. They've got one that is canned or a set one that they've come up with. I think I'm going to stay with that. Now if I click on this button, what it will do is make sure that that information appears here. I can come down here and customize what color I would like that little tile to be. And I can also change the text to white on black or black on white. In this case, I think I'm going to leave it black. Now I can include an image. You'll notice that there is no image here now. I can click on Choose an Image, and there's different categories. There's badges, stickers, ABC, black and white, color, and blue. I'm going to click on Sticker because when I was browsing earlier, I found something that I could use for this particular icon. And I think I'm going to just go with this for now. So it's a symbol of a compass and a protractor. All right, so now I go down here and I click on Save. And you'll notice that my new little symbol icon appears. Now to test that out, to make sure that it's working, I would simply click on it, see if it takes me to Math is Fun, and it does, so it was successful. Now I'm going to go back to that Symbaloo page and finish off. So I need to do, my goal is to find 6 different web tools, all of which have to do with area and perimeter. So we can open up 2 different categories. You could do 3 for area, and then you would simply come on over here, create a new tab, and find tools for perimeter. So you would do 3 for area and 3 perimeter. And then what you're going to do is, when you're all done with your web mix, you're going to come on up here to Share. Click on that button. My web mix name is Area. I can include a description. I've curated various tools for measuring area. Okay. Related tags, what is area? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on public, make my gallery available publicly, which is already highlighted for us. And now I click on share my mix. All right, and then the one last thing that I would like to do is I need to click on this link, make sure that that's highlighted, and see, and that information is going to get put into the Google Classroom link so that we're going to be able to gather your symbols together and view them. Right, that's all. So I wish you well in your endeavor and have fun.